lights out for that, right?
Okay. Oh, you're filming now. Well, as you can see, I'm not the only one that's got a friend with a Ferrari. Jolene's got a friend with a Ferrari. And this is her name's Janice. This is Aidyn's mother. Aidyn in the bed. And this is her car. So it's a 1992. 92 Ferrari. Is there a special name for it?
It's a 348 TS.
348
TS.
TS. I don't know shit when it comes to Ferrari. All I know is it looks nice. I was just asking her before we started if the seats were the original seats, but they're not. They've had this car. You guys had this car on the track before?
Yes.
Okay, so they've traded them out for probably more of an expensive seat. But I'm saying it's the right color. Looks like the right color.
Yeah.
How fast you had it going, Janice?
Me, myself, and I?
Yourself and
No,
I.
I keep to the speed limit.
You keep to the speed limit? She acts more like Jimbo than we really are. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Did you like shifting it? Is shifting like cool in it? A little different than most?
It's pretty heavy, but it's yeah, you get it in the right spot, it's easy. Yeah.
What do you mean by heavy?
It's a heavy shift. Like you really have to muscle it in. Yeah. Yeah, but the gears are easy to find.
Right.
Yeah. The gate, right? The gate.
Yeah.
The gate
Yeah,
shift,
you either get it in the gate or you don't.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. And it doesn't go down to first unless you're stopped. Like it doesn't like steer you down into first.
Okay.
Yeah. So it'll ride in second pretty easily.
Engine in the back of this one?
Yeah.
Engine's in the back of this one, exact same as Jimbo's.
Yeah. Yeah.
What size of tires we got on this bad boy? 19-inch. Them are nice. I like them. Wow.
Doesn't like a lot of spots in town.
It doesn't?
Being so low.
All right.
Yeah.
Come in front of Patty's.
Okay.
You'll hit in front of Patty's?
Yeah, it'll hit that.
348 TS. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's a good day for it too, eh? We got a beautiful day here in Nova Scotia, and Janice is out cruising a Ferrari. He's sent Jolene over town in the 300 ZX, and he had Ben chasing her in 2 days over there. What are you getting in this thing? You're not stopping anywhere.
Just stopping here.
Just stop for a minute, and then you'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know the horsepower of this bad boy? No?
No.
Doesn't matter.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Does the roof must look in 2 pieces?
No, one. One
So you have to have 2 people?
Yeah, unless you, unless
Yeah.
or you have to stand on the front seat.
Oh, wow.
Stand on it and then lay it across.
So you would undo it and then you carry it from that side and you go like this and then put it somewhere?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, right on. I don't know shit when it comes to a Ferrari.
The doors are a little hard with longer nails, Jolene.
Okay, just got a push button thing going on there.
You have to push it and
Yeah.
yeah.
So you don't really long fingernails?
Don't want long fingernails.
Jimbo had to clip his fingernails to get his top put on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he couldn't. He said he had to clip his fingernails because he couldn't get the top put on.
That's not good for mini skirts either. The wide sail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And most would say it was good for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're saying it's not, it must be good for the doors. Isn't that
Oh
cool?
wow, that is cool.
You know what I mean? Like basically what that tells me is we have a cab over up there and I made the doors kind of a funny shape. And that tells me right there I'm allowed. Ferrari did it. It's right wide at the top, skinny at the bottom. You know what I'm trying to say? Like,
They line up with the
yeah.
ones in the back.
Yeah. And then
Okay,
it goes
cool.
through to probably the brakes or the wheels or something probably in here. With the pedals on it.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Anyway, it's even got a mirror down by the pedals. So know if you're going fast, down look at the mirror. It's got 2 pedals in it, it's that fast. It's got 2 gas pedals.
That's cool.
It's pretty.
300 kilometers an hour. It's registered to City for that. Looks to me like he must have seen your Ferrari. He stepped on the truck, you notice that?
There's a truck coming up going pretty fast ahead of me the whole time. Okay, wait till you get those corners over in the dikes, right?
Oh, cool.
Sure.
Yeah, the dike.
The window in the back. See the window in the back?
No.
See how it's panoramic, but it goes the other way?
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool, isn't it?
Wow,
Huh?
that is
I can
cool.
make that a piece of plexiglass.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
I doubt it's plexiglass, but it might be. Awesome. Well, Janice is a lucky lady driving a Ferrari on a Sunday.
Gotta be good to be lucky.
Sunday drivers.
Is that what they say, Janice? You got to be good to be lucky. That's what Jolene says.
Yeah.
Good to be lucky.
Yeah.
And it's the right color. I've heard tell of a few people buying these cars and changing the color, then they're not allowed to buy them anymore.
Okay. I think most of them have a black
I think
bottom.
Jimbo's does.
Yeah.
Was this one changed on the bottom to red? You thinking?
Not by us. Not by us.
I was looking at the tire on the side. I didn't know if it was
Let's see what you're saying.
slack or not. There's air in it. If you know, I'm not going to touch them. They're probably in the right position. Probably just with the way they're sitting. That one looks slack too on that side, but those two look fine. So it might be just the right setting. Handle good and all that stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Brakes good.
Yeah, don't be so
It's a race car.
Yeah.
Someday, sweetheart. Someday. Someday. Alrighty, back to work for me.
All right.
And the girl's got a Ferrari to talk about. Okay.
Want to go for a drive?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Cool. I'm gonna film it.
I'll be right back.
Alright. Maybe I should be filming.
Yeah. I wonder.
No racing, Janice.
Precious cargo.
No racing.
Babe, can you open the door for me? Because I've got hands.
I chopped my fingernails off this morning. Chopped my fingernails off this morning.